Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to repair a cup holder grip that has come detached. But first things first, you'll need to remove the center console from the car. I have made a video showing you how to remove the center console step by step. I'll leave the link in the description below. Back to the video. To do this repair, you'll need to flip the center console upside down. At the very front, you will find two screws, one at each end, and those screws will need to come out before you can move on to the next step. Start by removing the two screws. Once you have removed the screws, push the cover down. There you will find two electrical connectors, one over here and one over there. You need to disconnect both of these. To remove both connectors, push down on the lever and pull them outward, and that should make them come out easily. Once both connectors have been removed, in the middle you'll find a cable tie holding the cable in the center. You need to cut that cable tie, but be careful, do not damage the wires in the process. When the cable is freed, now you can move it out of the way by pushing it toward the back. Next, lift the cup holder upwards. You should be able to remove it freely. At the back end of the cup holder, you will find these clips. There are three on each side, one at the top, one at the middle, and one at the bottom. To remove that back cover, all you have to do is pull up on the clips. It takes a bit of force, but you should be able to remove them. Just be gentle, do not break anything. You need to remove all 6 of them from both sides. Again, lift gently, but be careful, do not break it. If some of them are too stubborn to come out, you can use some tools to help push them out of the way. Once all 6 clips have been detached, you need to remove the 2 LED lights. You can hold on the bracket and pull it upward, it should come out. When you have disconnected the lights, you can now remove that back cover and exposing the cup holder grips. Here you can find the cup holder grip, but after close inspection, you can see that the cup holder grip is not actually broken. It has only detached itself somehow. Now, if it's not actually broken, you should be able to install it again. Inspect both sides of the cup holder grip, make sure it's all in good condition, and then check the main frame. Make sure the 2 latches on it are actually strong and not broken as well. If all is well, then you should be able to reattach that cup holder grip by placing the spring facing forward, and then realign the cup holder grip with the other parts, and then when everything is centered, you should be able to press down on it, and that should lock it in place. After you pushed it down, you should hear a clicking noise. That's how you know it has clipped back in place. Check it properly, just by wiggling it and putting a bit of force on it to see if it's gonna come out. And then turn the tray around and inspect it. You should be able, by pushing on the lever, to see them all working together again. And when everything seems to be working normally, you have done the job and it's all fixed. When everything's working, now you can reassemble the whole pieces again. It starts by putting that cover back on, clipping all 6 clips back in place, and then reattach the LED lights and make sure the cables are in their proper places. When you're done with it, put the tray back in the center console, aligning it the same way you took it out. Make sure it's all sitting nicely in place, and then install the 2 screws that you have removed earlier. When that's done, reconnect the cable that you have removed earlier. Install a new cable tie back in place, and then lock it back the same way it was before you removed it. And that's it, you're all done now. The cup holders, both of them should be all working nicely, and you can install the center console back in the car. As always, thanks for watching. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos from Reassembly, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button right there and you'll be notified of any new future uploads. Otherwise, if you want to see more of my adventures, you can do that by clicking the videos on the left. And if you want to see any of my DIY projects, you can do that by clicking the videos on the right. So until then, see you next time.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Ah, fuck it!